I'm Dr. Sumita Malhotra from Muzaffarnagar, and we are attending course 2 under Dr. Talwar. Today we are learning about microfluidics by sperm sorting method. So this is a sperm sorting device, and this device has 3 ports: inlet port, outlet port, and an OB port. The OB port is for observation. In between, there is a circular part which has a polycarbonate membrane. The process of doing sorting is by pushing 850 microliter of raw semen sample through the inlet port till the sample reaches the OB port. So this sample goes under the membrane. Thereafter, from the inlet outlet port, we push around 2 drops of media, and thereafter we spread the media over the membrane.
How much media do you spread?
Total of 1 ml of media is to be spread over the membrane. Outlet port.
And what is the OB port meant for?
Observation.
What is meant for?
To see
The sample has to reach
Sample
till there.
should reach the OB port.
Excellent. I'm so proud of you people. So proud of you people. So you are going into a very next generation technology. Have you heard about Google Banana Nano?
Gem.
Banana Nano. What is Banana Nano?
No.
How many of you have got? How many of you have got a subscription to Gemini Pro?
Gemini, yeah.
ChatGPT?
All basic. Free
Gemini,
voila.
I
subscribe.
have subscription of ChatGPT.
ChatGPT Pro.
My husband has for 3 things, I think. I think Gemini also and
He's
something.
a doctor.
He's a pediatrician and IUI student.
Yeah. So
He's using it because he's much more into academics. He's in medical college. I also teach in medical college. So we are into academics. So that is why we have.
but you all need it. All need it.
Yeah.
But I am not good in prompting. He took a course also online for prompts and all. And he is good in that.
Wow. So you're doing that technology now.
Yeah.
You're on that technology now. This technology will make everything different from today. So now we'll go to you.
Dr. Indumati, I am part of the course 2, course 1, batch 136 under Dr. Talwar sir. So today we are demonstrating microfluidics. So this is, I am going to inject the raw semen sample over.
You've taken. Keep talking. Keep talking. Keep talking.
So I am going to inject the raw semen sample in the inlet portion of the microfluidics semen sorter. So this has to be first it has to be pressed tightly into the inlet port, and the semen sample has to be injected slowly so that it fills the entire circular portion and then it reaches the OB port. And I can stop right there.
How much sample would have gone now?
So this is almost, entire 0.85 ml.
Once it goes to OB port,
Microliter.
and pops out, 850 has gone. So now we'll go to the third important step.
Dr. Deepshikha, I'm from 136 batch, the C2 course under Dr. Talwar sir. I'm on the third part. I'll be pushing on outlet port the
Media.
We will be putting 2 drops on the outlet and then we'll spread.
So 2 drops you put only for lubrication of the outlet. Otherwise the sperm will get dry there. Only 2 drops, gentle push. You wet it and then you spread on the top of the membrane. And how much are we spreading?
1 ml.
1 ml.
960, 70 microliters should be spread on top of that. And after spreading, gently shake it so that
The entire membrane is
the membrane is fully covered. And after we have done this, it will go inside a little plastic plate and goes inside you can do it quickly, man. Then go inside a humidified
Incubator.
box incubator, which is non-carbon dioxide. So CO2 then it is humidified and non-CO2. Okay, this CO2, then the CO2 will denature the HIPS buffered media. So it has been done. So I think it's all done properly. It's all okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what we will do now is pick it up and put into this. Put the plate into this without dropping it. You're all doing it yourself. I got very minimal contribution in the whole process, barring just bothering you by talking. Put the lid up, and now hold the lid. Now get up. Now get up.
Yes.
Get up. This way. Hold it in your hand like this. It is not covered till now. See. She's still not covered. It's all not covered. Now it's covered. So now keep it in your left hand. Hold it to your